bought my own maple syrup.
No way.
I met my friend Brian. Yes. What's it called? So I'm gonna go pick up a few packages, and then Bright is heading to class pretty early.
Yeah. Today I'm not going to be late. 1 hour early.
Are you normally late?
Well,
You're not
no,
normally
I'm like 1 minute late or 2 minutes late. Or the dots.
What's it called? Right, he's actually very busy. He's in Pratt, which is an engineering school, and then he's in this thing called Focus, which is like structured class. So he doesn't have a lot of free time.
It sucks to be in Pratt.
But it's fun though, because you guys like engineering.
Bro, I want to be in Trinity.
Oh no, don't tell him that. Hey, don't worry, Pratt is fun for some people. This is a mattress topper, 2-inch mattress topper. My bed has been so uncomfortable without it. And I don't really know what this is. Let's check. Oh, air conditioner and shampoo. Okay, time to test it out. Oh crap. Oh. This is comfortable. Yes. Oh my gosh. You guys don't understand how uncomfortable it was to sleep on a hard bed. At first, I didn't really feel it, but like, once you do it for like 2, 3, 4, 5 days, like, it really gets on you. Okay, now it's time to clean my room and get ready to go to class. I have a 12 o'clock class today. It's 11:27 right now. It's currently raining outside, which is not fun. But I'm prepared, don't worry. Ta-da! Introduce yourself to the people real quick.
What's good? I'm John,
Yes.
senior at Duke here.
One interesting fact about him, he doesn't even really go here. He goes to DKU.
I'm out
Yeah.
there in China, but can't get back.
Because of COVID.
Slumming it here at Duke, I guess.
Yeah, what's it called? Yeah. So like Duke has a program, it's DKU, and it's like kind of Duke but in China.
Yeah.
And all those students are stranded here right now.
Nah, it's not bad though. Duke's really nice.
Yeah, Duke is better, right?
Nah. Y'all kind of boring out here in Durham, I'm not gonna lie.
That is so not true. I have a class in 12 minutes, so I'm eating sushi real quick and I'll have it over there. It's my ethics class. Going to class. Such a beautiful building, it's crazy. Say hi to the vlog, or I guess you can't say hi.
Half of it was 60 pages.
Pose, you know. Hey guys, this is Gus. Vote for him. Yes. Do you want to say anything to the people? What's your campaign?
Hi, people.
Okay, so just got out of my ethics class. It was really interesting. As you can see, when I was walking back, I met a lot of my friends. Which is...
Hi guys!
Hey,
He's
this is
vlogging right
Celeste.
now.
Yeah. I am. What's up, Gio?
You may remember me from past vlogs. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
well, there we go. There we go. That's Gio. Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to do work for hours and hours and hours.
Again? That's like all you
Yay!
do.
Yeah, because I gotta do. I mean,
Hey, I'll see you later.
bye.
Yeah. You see what I'm talking about? There's people everywhere, so you're always running into friends. It was raining earlier today, so my socks got soaked. But luckily, like I packed an extra pair of socks. So, like, I'm fine. I'm chilling. Right now, I'm waiting for a friend, and then we're gonna head to the gym, get a good workout in real quick. Say hi to the people.
Nah, people good. They fine.
This guy's asking for my YouTube channel, and then he says he might subscribe after I tell him.
Might subscribe. I don't know your content like that.
I respect
You
it.
could be doing that weird content. I don't know.
Okay, no, it's not weird. I promise you. Okay, we just finished our workout. Feeling pretty good. Today we got a good workout in.
In my climb bar,
Yes.
little recovery things.
Today was chest and triceps, but we couldn't get anything on film. The guy wouldn't let us. But we did legs a couple days ago, so
Nah,
you
we
guys will
really
see
need to
that.
talk about that. That guy was up our. Ooh, I can't curse.
No, don't
That
curse,
guy
don't
was up
curse.
our butt for no
Nah, yeah. He was like, you can't even take pictures on your phone or video. I was like,
He was an old head. He doesn't understand. the
Yeah.
whole vlog.
that was a little disappointing. It's okay, we do what we have to do. Get it another day. Hopefully he doesn't see this. I'm going back to my dorm really quickly to make a protein shake, and then I have class that I have to head to, so I'm kind of late, but it's all good. I'll get there. Okay, it's 6:42. I officially finished classes at 6:30 for the day. Just got out of my ethics class, which was actually really interesting. Today we talked about what it means to be a human, because you have genetics, but what if you maybe made a whole clone out of cloned humans? Like, would that be a human too? My plans are kind of up in the air right now. I'm probably going to meet my friends for a soccer game that we're gonna watch. I think that's the plan. That's the plan so far. I ended up not going to the soccer game. Instead, I went to Marketplace, which is where we eat dinner, got some food, talked with friends, and now I'm back here. So, it's 9 o'clock right now. I am going to spend the time studying and editing this video so I can upload it the next day. Please make sure to like and subscribe and comment to help me boost my channel and everything. Really would appreciate it. Can we get to 200 likes? That would be crazy. So let's do it. See you guys later.